So what is a business value for your private practice? Let's take a look at typical business values you can use to support your practice and to stand out from the competition, because that's what private health services are all about. It's offering that extra value. So your business values are not something you put on a piece of paper and stick it in your reception area. These are values you live and breathe in every act, in every conversation, and in every situation in your practice as a team. So let's take a look at typical examples of what they could represent. One would be empathy, like showing that you're a real human being and talking about the way you see your patients, not just the technical surgical components, but the way you see them, truly see them as human beings. Now, one thing is to live and breathe that in your practice. It's another whole thing to communicate that really well, so patients get that in the first impression as soon as they land on your about page. Showing who you are, showing why you're passionate about what you do is a surefire way to really cut through the noise and make sure that your prospective patients, your future patients, or your referrers, they can see why you're doing it. So empathy is one of those business values that are really powerful to communicate. Another one is just your service level. How do you help your patients after they've had surgery? Is there an exercise program? Do you have rehab protocols in place? That is a great example of how you just take it one step further, not just talking about how good you are in theatre and in consultations, but really offering value after the patient has undergone surgery. Another way to really demonstrate business values is to talk about your support. Positive birth, empowering women for positive birth is a great example where you discuss your capacities to be more than just the specialist doctor. As a human being, you're here for the journey, and you can talk about it on your website, on your social media platforms, so patients know that you really care. Genuine care is a really strong communication tool. And then finally, another business value could just be clarity. Offering clarity to your patients as they are exploring, considering, or booking a procedure. Offering really clear information about what to expect is another great way of offering service, and that in itself can be a tremendous business value. So there's more to business than just setting up your structure and looking at your numbers. As you can see, business values are great tools to just build an amazing private practice. And if you need help defining your core values as a business, just book a free one-on-one strategy session. We'll go over your business goals and translate them into day-to-day business values.